Many homeowners have discovered what a professional-looking paint job they can get by using painter's tape.
The great thing about this tape, it has a quick release adhesive, so you can stick it onto a piece of painted trim like this, and when you remove it later, it won't peel off the paint. In this case, we're running it along the piece of trim, then I'm going to hang some lightweight plastic underneath it and drape it down, so when we paint the upper wall area, no paint will get on the trim or the paneling below.
Now, Joe, what do you think of the tape dispensers that are out on the market with the handle and you pop the tape on and you use it? What do you think?
Well, those are great for applying tape to broad surfaces, but to get it along the edge, they don't work so well. And also, they're so bulky, they don't fit in your pocket, and there's no place to lay them down, because typically when you're painting a room, you take all the furniture out.
That's true, yeah.
So what I prefer to do to keep the tape handy is just make this little holder from a bent wire hanger. It's just bent it into a U-shaped and bent the ends over so it would fit onto my belt. And you can see it just holds the tape really well. And when you want a piece, you just peel it off, tear it.
That's real similar to what the drywall guys use to hold their tape.
And it makes it really quick and easy to apply the tape. And you always know where it is. It's right at your side whenever you need it.